dripping in chrome, flaunting rocket age flair, and roaring with V8 pride. The 1958 Oldsmobile Super 88 Convertible was a flamboyant farewell to an era of unrestrained American design, a last of its breed machine that combined kitsch with cool in unforgettable fashion. Under its mile-long hood lay a 371 cubic inch rocket V8 engine, producing up to 305 horsepower with the optional J2 triple carburetor setup, delivering bold acceleration and a signature Oldsmobile growl, paired with the smooth Jetaway Hydromatic automatic transmission. The Super 88 was built for effortless cruising, commanding attention wherever it went with its deeply sculpted flanks, massive chrome grille, and iconic dual rocket-inspired taillights, its long, low silhouette, panoramic windshield. An opulent interior epitomized 1950s optimism, with luxurious options like power windows, power seats, an electric clock, and a transportable radio that could be removed and used outside the car. When compared to its contemporaries like the Buick Roadmaster, Chrysler New Yorker, and even the Cadillac Series 62, the 1958 Super 88 Convertible was both a high-style performer and a symbol of bold, middle-class aspiration. Though not as pricey or prestigious as a Cadillac, the Super 88 shared similar DNA in engineering and presence, but leaned into a more youthful, adventurous persona. However, 1958 was also a turning point. The US was entering a recession, and the market for extravagant convertibles dipped. The excessive styling, massive chrome accents, tailfins, and intricate details began to look overdone as consumers shifted towards sleeker, more understated designs. While the Super 88 convertible still offered performance and charisma, it was clear that the winds of change were coming fast. Historically, the 1958 Oldsmobile Super 88 convertible marks the end of an era of post-war design exuberance. It was the last year Oldsmobile would go all in on flamboyant styling before the brand, and the industry at large pivoted to the cleaner, more restrained lines of the 1960s. As the 50s closed, so did the chapter on jet age styling excess. The Super 88 with its blend of performance and pop culture aesthetics, rolling into American design. In the future, its role is firmly cemented as a collector's gem, celebrated not just for its rarity, but for its unapologetic celebration of an era that dared to dream, big and shine brighter than any other.